Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today's video is all about how to get satellite view on Google Maps in 2025. Whether you're a travel enthusiast scouting your next adventure or just want to see your hometown from a bird's eye view, satellite mode on Google Maps is an incredible feature. It's perfect for getting detailed aerial imagery that can help with everything from urban planning to virtual sightseeing. Plus, with updates in 2025, the interface is even more user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Google Maps app installed on your phone or open it in your web browser on your computer. It's available on both Android and iOS devices, as well as desktops. Once you're in, start by searching for a location. For example, type in Eiffel Tower or your own address to center the map. Now, look for the Layers button. On the web version, you'll find it in the bottom left corner. It's that stack of squares icon. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with options like Default, Satellite, and Terrain. Simply select Satellite to switch views. You'll instantly see the world from above, with high-resolution images that might include the latest updates from 2025, like enhanced 3D buildings in some areas. If you're on mobile, it's just as straightforward. Open the Google Maps app, search for your location, and tap the Layers icon in the top right corner. Scroll through the options and pick Satellite. Pro tip: pinch to zoom in for more details, or tilt your phone for a 3D effect if available. This works great for exploring remote areas or checking out natural landscapes. One thing to remember is that satellite images aren't live, they're captured at different times, so you might not see the most recent changes. Also, for the best experience, ensure your app is updated to the latest version in 2025 to access any new features, like improved image quality or integration with other Google services. There you have it, switching to satellite view on Google Maps is quick and fun. Give it a try on your next map session and let us know in the comments how it enhances your explorations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.